こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 84 and we're going to learn how to nominalize the verb. Before this video, if you're not very sure how to make the dictionary form, this okay? Then you can watch my video number 82 of the grammar about this okay dictionary form. In previous video number 83 of the grammar, we learned noun ができます I can do something or the verb dictionary form and ことができます In this case also we use dictionary form and こと For example 泳ぐことができます I can swim It means any verb in the dictionary form and こと It means to nominalize the verb Let's see some examples using this word 趣味Shumi, it means hobby, your interest, your pastime. How do you spend your free time? What's your hobby? 趣味は何ですか? When I want to use only a noun, just like here, 写真, picture or photography, then I can only say 私の趣味は写真です. What does your elder brother enjoy doing? Well, he works out. He spends his time working out. The vocabulary we use 趣味. This word is very, very useful. 趣味. And お兄さん, elder brother. 筋トレ, this is workout. Because 筋, this comes from the 筋肉. 筋肉, it means muscle. And トレ comes from トレーニング. Training. So, muscle training, workout. お兄さんの趣味は何ですか? お兄さんの趣味は何ですか? お兄さんの趣味は筋トレです。お兄さんの趣味は筋トレです。As you see, we can use only the nouns to talk about 趣味. For example, 趣味はアニメです。If you like very much アニメ。趣味はゲームです。If you like games. 趣味はゲームです。趣味はスポーツです。sport. 趣味はピアノです。If my hobby is piano. 趣味はピアノです。趣味は旅行です。旅行 is for the trip. 趣味は旅行です。trip travels. 趣味は料理です。For someone who likes very much about the cooking. 趣味は旅行です。Now we are going to see the examples using the verbs. My hobby can be to watch anime or to draw animes. To watch animes, we say アニメを見ます。To draw animes, we say アニメを描きます。Now we must change this 見ます to the dictionary form and こと。見ます This is the irregular second group. So the dictionary form is 見る。見ること。アニメを見ること。It means to watch anime. 趣味はアニメを見ることです。趣味はアニメを見ることです。The verb to draw a pictures or to paint some pictures. 描きます。描きます。Sometimes we pronounce 描きます。But here in this case we use 描きます。This is the first group. So the dictionary form 描く。アニメを描くこと。To draw anime. 趣味はアニメを描くことです。趣味はアニメを描くことです。Let's see the difference between these two 見ます。見ます。見ます。But kanji is different. 見ます It means to watch or to see. Then what's the difference? Both 見ます is the second group. So the dictionary form, the both 見る。This 見ます with more difficult kanji 見ます This means to see or to watch but with attention. It's like to observe with all your attention. For example, movies or the anime or the theater, I think you usually use this 見ます Mimas with this kanji is also to watch or to see, but not with so much attention. For example, I can watch TV with this kanji. テレビを見ます。テレビを見ています。But I'm cooking. And sometimes I watch a TV or I listen to TV, but I'm doing and other things and not with so much attention. In that case, you don't know which to use. Then you can choose this mimas because this is almighty. In every time you can use this mimas. This mimas is more special because if you are watching the movie in the movie theater or some really theater, then I think you usually use this mimas because with all of your attention. But in the case of, I don't know which, then you can use this one. Let's see the difference between these two kakimas. This kakimas is to write something. But this kakimas, the same pronunciation, and also the group 1, the same way, kakimas. But this kakimas, when you draw pictures or to paint something, kakimas. With the cooking or dishes, I can say, my hobby is cooking, or my hobby is to preparing dishes. To make or to prepare, we say, 作ります. This is group 1. Dictionary form, 作る. 私の趣味は料理を作ることです。私の趣味は料理を作ることです。But I can also change the verbs. Instead of cooking, 作ります。食べます。to eat. I enjoy eating dishes. 食べます。This is group 2. Very easy one. The dictionary form, 食べる。私の趣味は料理を、おいしい料理を食べることです。私の趣味はおいしい料理を食べることです。My elder sister enjoys reading books. お姉さんの趣味は本を読むことです。お姉さんの趣味は本を読むことです。My elder sister enjoys writing stories or writing tales. Stories or tales. 物語 to write. The verb 書きます。And the dictionary form 書く because this is the group 1. お姉さんの趣味は物語を書くことです。お姉さんの趣味は物語を書くことです。My younger sister enjoys listening to the music. Younger sister, 妹、音楽、music. In this kanji, on, it means the sound, 音. And the second kanji, 学 comes from the adjective, 楽しい。楽しい it means, oh, it's so fun, so amusing. So 音楽 it's like to enjoy the sounds. 音楽 music. 聞きます the verb to listen. 妹の趣味は音楽を聞くことです。妹の趣味は音楽を聞くことです。Let's see the difference between these two 聞きます。The pronunciation and intonation is just the same, and both is the first group. But this first 聞きます, this is normal. 聞きます to listen. But this second one with here in 心, this is hard. So this 聞きます, it means to listen with with all my attention. This is 聞きます. For example, 音楽を聴きます to some music but with all my attention, then it should be with this kanji, 聴きます but not like background music, so only background music, so with this kanji, 聴きます the same kanji as here, 聴きます and here we say 聴解 it means to the listening exercises, because in this case we listened very carefully to understand what they are saying, right? So, 聴解. My younger sister enjoys playing the piano. To play music, we say 弾きます。This is the group 1. Dictionary form 弾く。弾きます to play some musical instrument, but this is string instrument. 妹の趣味はピアノを弾くことです。妹の趣味はピアノを弾くことです。My friend enjoys driving a car. 友達 friend or friends 運転します。The verb to drive 車を運転します。drive a car 友達の趣味は車を運転することです。友達の趣味は車を運転することです。My younger brother's interest is to collect anime's figures. Younger brother 弟アニメのフィギュア This is anime's figure or anime's figurines. The verb to collect or gather people 集めます。Then this is without ます め This is the second group め So the dictionary form is 集める。弟の趣味はアニメのフィギュアを集めることです。弟の趣味はアニメのフィギュアを集めることです。My son enjoys drawing. 息子の趣味は絵を描くことです。息子の趣味は絵を描くことです。My son enjoys taking pictures of cats. 息子son 猫 cats 写真 pictures The verb 撮ります to take a picture 撮ります This is group 1 The dictionary form 撮る息子の趣味は猫の写真を撮ることです息子の趣味は猫の写真を撮ることです。Now a quiz time with only 2 questions. Only 2. And this is the dictation. And after, please answer these questions. 1番目。あなたの趣味は何ですか？あなたの趣味は何ですか？何ですか？あなたの趣味は何ですか？ 2 番目。あなたの友達の趣味は何ですか？あなたの友達の趣味は何ですか？何ですか？あなたの友達の趣味は何ですか？ Today we learned how to nominalize the verb using dictionary form and koto. If you think this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that can help me a lot, please. And if you want to continue learning Japanese with me, please subscribe my channel. いかがでしたか？今日は動詞の事象形にことを使って動詞を名詞のように使うことを勉強しました。今日のビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録お願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。そして今日は趣味について話しました。趣味を話すときにこの事象形こと、これは欠かせないことです。趣味の他にもいろいろな方面で使うことができます。それはまたこれからのビデオで説明していきます。ではまたお会いしましょう。じゃあねー。